Traveling by train in Russia can be both economical and comfortable if you know the tricks to save money on intercity routes. Russian trains offer different classes of travel. Platzkart is the most economical option, while SV luxury compartments can cost 2 to 3 times more. To save money on Russian trains, book well in advance, travel during weekdays, join the RZD bonus loyalty program, and look for seasonal promotions. Book directly through the official RZD website. Be flexible with your travel dates, and remember that upper berths are typically cheaper than lower ones. Don't forget to check for special discounts. Students, seniors, children, and groups can all benefit from reduced fares on Russian trains. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more travel guides and resources. Thanks for your support.